Hello students, by now you have watched the video that I shared with you about how rainbows are formed and the rainbow color order. What we're going to do now is use our crayons, pencil, and a sheet of paper to create a drawing of what you need in order to form a rainbow. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with your paper, and at the top we're going to draw some rain clouds. Use some bumpy lines to do this. You can draw more than one if you like. Then you're going to start by drawing your raindrops. Now we're going to make a sun because you need rain and sunshine in order for your rainbow to form. Remember that the sun is white light, and as it passes through the raindrops break it up into all of the rainbow colors. Now we're ready to start drawing our rainbow down at the bottom. You want to make sure that you are drawing nice curved lines and that you are counting the spaces to make sure that you have enough lines to represent each color of the rainbow. Remember, there are 7 colors in a rainbow, so count and make sure you have 7 arches. Now that we have our sun, our rain, and our rainbow, it's time for the fun part. Let's get ready to color. Grab your crayons and choose a color to start drawing your clouds. I chose gray, and I'm going to start coloring them in here. Once you trace the clouds, go ahead and color them in. Be sure to color one direction and make your coloring nice and neat. Then you're going to trace the raindrops. Remember, raindrops are clear, but for them to show up as we color, we can use a blue color. Go ahead and color in your raindrops. Add a few more if you want. Then we're going to use yellow for the sun. Be sure to trace over those rays. Looking good so far. Now we're going to start coloring with the color order of the rainbow. Red is first. Make sure your crayon says red, R-E-D. We're going to color the very top arch of our rainbow red. Make sure you show good coloring and stay in the lines. What's the next color? Well, if you're following the name Roy, you know it's O, and orange starts with O. Remember, the little character from the video, Roy G. Biv, helps us remember the color order of the rainbow in order. So we have R-O, now we need Y. Y stands for yellow. Color in the next part of your rainbow with yellow. Then we have the middle initial, Roy G. G stands for green. Color in the next spot green. Then we have B for Biv. The beginning letter of the last name of the character is Biv, which is B, and that stands for blue. Now the next color is a color you don't hear of very often. It is indigo. You have a box of Crayola crayons, you have an indigo color in your box. If you don't, you can mix a little bit of blue and purple to create indigo. Indigo is kind of like a purpley blue. And the last color in the rainbow order is violet. Find your violet crayon or purple. Violet and purple are the same color, and go ahead and color that in. Wonderful job. You have your rain, your sunshine, and your rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.